destination. I like to party, living my way is arty. All I offer is my reputation. Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover, you blow my mind, and it would be kind of a groovy story. If you wanna be my midnight mover. Planning your hugs and kisses, making sketches of future illusions. But I'm the present, living the kind of essence that will crush all your sacred illusions. Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover, you blow my mind, and it would be kind of a groovy story. If you wanna be my midnight mover. If you wanna be my midnight mover. If you wanna be my midnight mover. Taking a shot is all we got. Rocking the boat, I'm doing the knot. Free all the pieces of your mind, facing the fact that I'm your sign. Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover, you blow my mind, and it would be kind of a groovy story. If you wanna be my midnight mover. If you wanna be my midnight mover. If you wanna be my midnight mover. I got no money, like it or not, I'm funny, still in searching. If you wanna be my midnight mover, I like to party, living my way is arty. All I offer. If you wanna be my midnight mover.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know, if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Although I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know, to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know. I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Oh. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Now I got some peace of mind, and I'm not gonna waste my time. Can't believe that I was so blind. All I want is to press rewind, but I'm gonna be just fine. Honestly, I don't care what you think about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you, you, you. Did you think I'd forgive, forget it? All because of you, you, you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Yeah, you made a big mistake that you will realize someday. By then it'll be too late, 'cause I know that it's all just fake. But I'm gonna be okay. Honestly, I don't care what you say about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you, you, you. Did you think I'd forgive, forget it? All because of you, you, you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Now I've got peace of mind, 'cause I'm leaving you behind. I don't know about you. You were just a waste of time, but I'm gonna be just fine. I don't know about you, and it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forgive, forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. And it's all because of you, you, you. Did you think I'd forgive, forget it? All because of you, you, you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. Strength to go on together, to go on together, yeah, to go on together. To go on together, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a